Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my passion for easy, affordable, and delicious vegetarian food. In today's video, I am sharing a fun and easy Halloween snack board. This snack board is filled with sweet and savory treats. It would be great for a party or a small gathering, or even before you go trick-or-treating. I'd love to know, what is your favorite Halloween candy? Please let me know in the comments down below. Mine are the peanut butter cups, but it's especially like the seasonal peanut butter cups that have more of the peanut butter to the chocolate ratio. Those are my favorite. Let's break the price down for this Halloween snack board. The blue corn tortilla chips were $1.98 for an 8-ounce bag. The can of black olives was $1.53 for 6 ounces. The package of mozzarella cheese sticks was $2.84. The organic orange pepper was $1.73. The bag of unpopped popcorn kernels was $1.84. 2 avocados were 68 cents each. The bag of mini oranges was $1.64. The bag of candy corn was $1.98. The total price for this Halloween snack board would be $14.90, and you'd be able to refill this quite a few times. I hope you enjoyed today's video on my Halloween snack board. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button down below. In my next video, I'll be sharing a Halloween-themed breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Thank you for watching. Bye.